Morning traders. So how do we trade the Dow Jones today? So the weekly at this stage is really starting to look positive. If you look at we had these two inside, well, this is one inside weekly bar, and off a level being the 40 EMA, 40 exponential moving average, and this week has formed a verification bar in my eyes anyway, that this is the spot that we're turning. So it's not like this one where we had an inside bar, but the next week wasn't a confirmation bar. So this is a confirmation bar of note. So I suspect with earnings seasons upon us now, we are going to start aiming to break this level here. Okay, so dotted lines that are in are really just a position I've got open. I'll run through that on the lower time frames. Okay, so the daily, nothing really to say here. This is a strong uptrend. This was a strong downtrend. This is a strong uptrend. Simple as that. When we start consolidating like this, then the trend has changed. But for now, this trend is up. And if we look at the 4-hour, you can see there's nothing to indicate you need to get out of the trend. Even this little blip to the bottom here is you should still be trading long with the trend. Okay, we do have some diversions brewing, and we've got the oscillators grouping. So I suspect we're going to have a fairly deep pullback shortly, whether it's where we are now or a little higher up where I have my take profit. Just run back, you can see this is a pretty decent level here. So it is an area that I'm watching with interest to see if we're going to break through and target pretty much that inside tail there. Okay, so I'll just move that over there. Okay, so let's just get down to the 1 hour and see. Okay, so this trade that I've got in is a trade that's been left over from yesterday, and what it basically is an opening range break strategy. Okay, so on this account, basically, all I did was to take the open range break, and really just to show you how this works out. Okay, so these two half-hour bars here, okay, are the opening of the stock exchange, the US markets. So that was a range. So the minute we had a break, which happened over here, and for me the break was pretty much this bar that closed above here, and I took a stab at it to get in. Okay, so we're in, and the stop loss would have been below this tail. Now I've already moved my stop up to protect capital. So yes, I left it overnight, but it is a small position. It's only $2. So what we're looking for is to see whether we can target this breakout level, or if we can break through. If we can break through, I'm sitting at target 2, which to me seems the most logical area at the moment. So in saying that, what I am looking for today is another long. And the other thing that we can do here as well is just have a look at the closing range breakout strategy for yesterday, see whether we hit targets, and you'll see that we actually hit target 3, okay, during the day, and then that was that. And then what we have here is pretty much the same size range, and we have hit the breakout target already, and we're stretching for target 2, and then target 3 and 4 will come into play. So yeah, so for me at the moment, it is long, and I'm looking to possibly extend on my position that I have now, but we'll have to see what actually happens here. So I am sitting patiently to see whether we stay above this 20 moving average, which I suspect we're going to, and do it on the 20 moving average on the 12. So long as we stay above the 20 on the 30 minutes, I'm also happy to just let this position run for now. Okay, so that's kind of my take at the moment. So if you're not in this market already, I'd probably be looking to trade the open range again, or alternatively, if we do get to any kind of bullish action, I'll add to this position and probably extend our target further up. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at the moment. It is looking like we may bounce off this level, but we'll wait and see. I think what we're looking for is a second attempt at this level. Okay, so we've had the first attempt here, so I'm looking for a second attempt. If the second attempt breaks, then I'll wait, and I'll wait for the next signal. But there's no signal here to say the trade is over. It is rounding a little bit, but that's just the normal ebb and flow of the market at the moment. Okay, so yeah, so that's my take on the Dow today. It's still looking for longs, and really looking for a good close to this level here, and possibly targeting these tails here. I don't think there's anything to the left. Yeah, there's quite a bit at that level. So I think, to me, that is the next level that we're going to form a base, bounce off or sideways, and then a look to break through that and come and target the downward trend line and then a new high. Okay, so that's my take on this. Hope it helps, guys, and stay safe, keep those stops tight, and I'll catch up with you next week. Cheers, man.